Hi there! A warm welcome once again to FES Twist. Today I'm excited to present to you my flavorful chicken palm nut soup recipe. Let's wash our hands and get right into this one. This is my chicken, which I already washed and cleaned. And to steam my chicken, I'll be using some ginger, garlic, onion, anise seed, chicken seasoning, and some salt. And I'll be blending everything together into a smooth consistency. Pour it over my chicken and bring this to a boil. And I'll allow the chicken steam in these juices, which means that the flavors are going to be enhanced, and this forms a juicy stock which will elevate our soup to the next level. Remember to add your salt and chicken seasoning. And friends, you can tell from the way it's going that this is going to be flavor packed, and I can't wait to the end already. And in 10 minutes, I'll give this a stir and allow this to boil for another 5 minutes and begin making our soup. And when making palm nut soup, there's nothing like using the actual palm nut fruit in its raw form. No adulterations or preservatives. I'm adding some hot water to help extract the cream. I'll take the chaff, squeeze the food out, and then rinse it again with some more hot water. You'll have to repeat this a few times to help you extract more of the cream. Palm nut soup requires you to clean as you go, otherwise you will be overwhelmed at the end. And as you can see, there's still more chaff in here, so I'm going to strain this out a couple of times. You may use the canned palm cream. I was fortunate to have this, and it came already cooked and pounded. All I needed to do was to extract. After squeezing out the cream, I'll pour more hot water on the chaff to help me extract more of the cream from the chaff. And nothing goes wasted here. You can always dry the chaff up and use it to start your barbecue grill. After straining everything out, our cream will be ready to go into our cooking pot. And when straining, remember to strain slowly so that you can leave out the debris or residue from the palm nut at the bottom. We do not want that in our soup. I'll be dicing 2 large onions, which will go into our soup as our soup begins boiling. I'll add my onions, cover my soup up, and put this to an aggressive boil. And it's time for me to add my vegetables. I'll be using 3 large tomatoes, 2 onions, and 4 habanero chilies. Our soup is already bubbling and our home smells absolutely aromatic. After washing my vegetables, I'll add it to the soup and allow them to boil. So after boiling for about 20 minutes, I'm going to scoop my vegetables out, blend them, and later add them to my soup again. I'll be blending the tomatoes and habanero chilies together and then strain them back into the soup. And friends, if it's your first time here, kindly remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, you will be notified right away. And we make awesome dishes that you do not want to miss. And now it's time to blend our onions and reintroduce it back into our soup. And these vegetables also serve as thickeners for our soup. I'll then allow this to boil for 5 minutes and then add my chicken stock. And it's time to add my extra flavorful chicken stock, which is going to elevate my soup to the next level. I'll put this to an aggressive boil and then add my chicken pieces on the medium. And at this point, I'll be adding my chicken pieces into the soup so that my chicken can further cook in the soup. And the chicken is going to release its juices into the soup, and the soup will in turn absorb more flavors from this chicken. And this step is optional, but I choose to add an extra layer of vegetables in my palm nut soup. And this time I'm using some garden eggs and okra. I'll cut the stem ends off and the tail of the okra. You may use any vegetable of your choice. I'll add some salt to taste and then add some minced ginger for some extra flavor. And this is my infusion to help add that extra touch we need in our soup. I'll be adding some bay leaves for some extra flavor as well. And it's now time to introduce our habanero chilies and vegetables. And these vegetables are introducing more layers of sophisticated flavors in our soup. I hope you're learning a thing or two in this video, and I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed or it's your first time here, kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. This is Ifia's Twist, and our goal is to make cooking an enjoyable experience in the comfort of your home. And with the flavors in my home, and as this soup is simmering, is really taking me down memory lane. Growing up, as my grandmother used to make this every Saturday, and trust me, this was totally amazing. We used to have this with some soft fufu, and it was so good. And your soup is ready when the foaminess on the surface begins to disappear. As you can see, our soup is simmering to cook and incorporating all the natural flavors here. We'll be adding our fresh basil very soon. And it's time to add in my fresh basil. And friends, there are aromatics in this soup, Chale? It's not easy, you should come to my home right now. It smells totally amazing in here. And I'll be pairing this with some soft fufu, and you are all invited. I hope I inspired you to try this one, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and bye for now.